Dr. Narendra Jadhav.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise to strongly support the Motor Vehicles Amendment Bill 2019. Sir, this bill has been long overdue. At the very outset, let me commend the Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji for piloting this bill with tremendous commitment. Sir, I was a member of the Select Committee, and the Select Committee discussed this bill thoroughly and comprehensively. In fact, Honorable Minister joined the discussion one day on his own and answered all the questions. Sir, the Honorable Minister traveled all over the country to create awareness about the necessity of this bill. Sir, I wish to place on record my highest appreciation for the commitment and the manner in which this bill was conceived, developed, debated and presented. Sir, there is an imperative need for enhanced road safety, stricter compliance of safety measures, replacement of automobile parts that are harmful to environment, provisions for victims of road accidents, and a comprehensive framework for insurance. Our laws, sir, need to be aligned with internationally accepted standards. This Amendment Bill of 2019, which is extremely comprehensive, addresses several major concerns and makes an extraordinarily bold move towards alignment of international standards. This is not an end in itself, but it is a great beginning of covering a huge regulatory gap that existed until today. Sir, I wholeheartedly support the bill and strongly recommend its passage. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Shri Naresh Gujral ji.
Thank you, sir.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Hi. Sir, this session, like any other session, is an important session. But this session is the first session of the Parliament and of the House after the recent general elections. We are very happy that the houses are functioning and a lot of business has been transacted. At the same time, there are certain conventions, norms and parliamentary practices. We will have to fight to defend them. It cannot become the rule that the House has to be extended beyond a time which has been agreed to in the Business Advisory Committee, number one. Number two, for the first time we heard something, with due respect, sir, at 6 p.m., the sense of the House is to be taken. It is never by voting, never happened in the House. The sense of the House, even if 2 members, 3 members.
It is different from voting.
It is different from voting. Number three, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, as you say that the Honorable Chairman, and we have high respect for Honorable Chairman and for you, for the Chair. But this decision can only be taken by the Chair in the House. It cannot be taken outside. So you are the Chair. And that's why the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs got up, and the Leader of the House. We have respect for both. Now the House has its own views. If we allow this to become the norm that every day, sometimes we are told the other House sits till midnight, then start from breakfast until next morning's breakfast, give time to go for wash. What is happening? If there is a national emergency,
sir, आपकी बात
there is a
मैंने
national
मौका दिया,
emergency,
आपको दो बार मौका दिया, प्लीज मैंने मानिक किशोर जी, मैंने सरकार के जो मंत्री जी हैं, मिनिस्टर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स स्टेट, और जो आपके सदन के नेता हैं, दोनों से कहा था कि आप मिलकर रास्ता निकालें, क्या सेंस ऑफ द हाउस है। ऑलरेडी आप बताएं क्या रास्ता निकला।
सभापति जी, मैं आदरणीय आनंदी शर्मा साहब से, डेरेक ओब्रायन से और जो भी माननीय सदस्य इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि अब आगे कार्रवाई न चलाए, उनसे निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ। ये बिल अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण है और जैसा अभी माननीय मंत्री जी ने बताया कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से इसमें एक अमेंडमेंट भी आ रहा है। ये अमेंडमेंट आकर के अगर बिल पास होगा तो फिर से लोकसभा में जाएगा, ये बात सही है। और इस बिल का इतना विलंब होना देश हित में नहीं है, जनहित में भी नहीं है। इसलिए मैं प्रार्थना करूंगा कि इस विधेयक पर चर्चा पूरी होने तक और इसके पारित होने तक सदन को चलाने की अनुमति प्रदान करें। मुझे
आफ्टर ऑल
और मैं मेरी बात पूरी हो जाने दो, मेरी बात पूरी हो जाने दो। हम ऐसा कोई नियम नहीं बना रहे हैं कि ज्यादा देर तक चलेगा। ऐसी परंपरा रही है, ऐसी परंपरा रही है। एक बार नहीं अनेक बार हाउस,
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस,
एक बार नहीं अनेक बार हाउस रात को 9 बजे तक 10 बजे तक भी चला है। और हमने बीएसी की मीटिंग में समय समय पर ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक पर देर तक बैठ करके उनको पारित करने के विषय में भी चर्चा की है। मैं एक बार फिर अनुरोध करता हूं कि इस बिल के पारित होने तक आज सदन की कार्रवाई चलाएं।
Sir, I am in a different point. The house has been extended for 3 days. Never expected. Okay, all right. But at the same time, we members belonging to others group, we do not get the ample time unless the house sits long, unless the house finishes the business. We are the affected persons. They are not Mr. Anand Sharma. Therefore, I want the time to be given to the other members. You have to take the time of the house. This is the sense. Otherwise, we are affected, not Mr. Anand Sharma and major political parties. We others.
Given time, but not after 6. Not after 6. You cannot
Please,
extend the
please.
time. Every bill is an important.
कोई और बात अब रिकॉर्ड
बिल।
प्लीज, कोई और बात प्लीज। मिस्टर वाइको, प्लीज टेक योर सीट। ठीक है रंगराजन जी, प्लीज। आपने देखा हाउस में बहुत सारे लोग चाहते हैं कि इस पे डिस्कस हो, बातचीत हो। मेरा फिर निवेदन होगा चेयर से कि इसको हम लोग आज खत्म करें। और श्री नरेश गुजराल, प्लीज कोई और बात रिकॉर्ड पे अब नहीं जाएगी। प्लीज श्री नरेश गुजराल,
Derek, give others a chance. Derek, your party has spoken.
I'm with you on this. Sir, Naresh Gujral ji was called to speak at 6:22 p.m. My point of order is Rule 37. Rule 37 states, variation in the allocation of time order. And I'm reading it. Let me read it, sir. No variation in the allocation of time order shall be made except by the chairman, who may make such variation if he is satisfied after taking the sense of the council that there is a general agreement for such variation. The general agreement, we understood, was till 6 p.m. If you've called a speaker at 6:22, this rule states, sir, that you have to take the sense of the house and then ask him to speak. That is my limited point.
मैंने ऑलरेडी सेंस ऑफ द हाउस लिया। आपने देखा कई लोगों ने बताया। प्लीज
आप अनाउंस किया सर,
प्लीज,
6 बजे के बाद बैठेंगे, आप अनाउंस किया।
मैंने थैंक यू भाई कुछ